Hello and welcome to another quick update about Fantom. Just want to cover Fantom because Fantom is, in my view, just about to break out again if we can get through a critical resistance level. If we can't get through, then I think we're building out something like a double top here and we can expect a little bit of a consolidation. So where are we at the moment? Currently trading at 231. If you remember, we talked about this bull flag that we were forming here. We broke out actually to the upside, but you can see that we seem to be losing a little bit of steam. You can see that also by having a look on the RSI here on the daily, because the RSI is making higher lows while we're actually making higher highs, even though just very, very slightly on the price action. Yeah, we still have a buy signal on the ADX on the daily, which just shows us that we are in quite a strong uptrend actually. The white line is showing way over 25. And the green line here, which shows us the direction, indicates that, yeah, it is an uptrend, not a downtrend. We can also see that we still have a buy signal, or at least, we're in the bullish range on the MACD as well, even though that's slowing down a little bit because of the current consolidation, sideways movement, after that push to the upside. And we can see that we are approaching this critical level here. So we have here this level, which is currently sitting at, let me go to the shorter term time frame on the 4 hour. There we can see that better. If I zoom out, you can see here very clearly that we are struggling to get through a key level, which is basically, you could say it's the 246 level. Now 246 is the level which we had here, which is basically it wasn't even a closed candle on the 4 hour, but I think on the 1 hour. And here we can see that we were struggling to really push to that level again. The candles closed on the 4 hour at 243 on the right hand side here, and we basically got all the way up to 246, between 246 and 250. I mean, 250 is, in my view, also a psychological level. That is why probably we are struggling a little bit here as well. But as you can see, that looks a bit like a double top. So if we can't get through that level, then we might be struggling. However, we're just currently here retracing a little bit. So if we go to that previous wave here, you can see that we managed to get all the way up to the 1.272 Fibonacci extension level. Overshot a little bit, but that was basically the level here of 245 that we managed to get. And now we're dropping down a little bit, possibly here until it's a bit hard to see, I need to make it larger, but you can see that we found support here pretty much at the 0.214 Fibonacci retracement level, which is at 224. So that is where we're finding support at the moment, or we did find support here. So that just shows that, it's basically adhering to the Fibonacci levels. Next level, if we can, and this is just very short term because this is basically this smaller Fibonacci here, but it just shows us if we can get through this level, it should really help us to get to 260 and then 275 in the next few moves. So I just want to make you aware that, just watch that level. If we manage to get through that, we can get to these next levels. If we drop below the previous low, I think we can expect some further consolidation. That previous low was here at 216, 217. If you see that break, I think we can find support here at this descending trend line. And the next support level, in my view, would then here be the 20-day moving average. Now that would even be below $2. So bearing in mind that $2 might be a psychological mark as well. And to be honest, everything can always happen in the crypto markets. So don't be too surprised if we get a sell-off, but it's holding strong at the moment. But I would watch very closely that previous high here of 216, 217. That is my basically trigger to the downside and to the upside. If we can get above this 246, 247 range, just mainly the 250 psychological one as well, need to get through that to make new highs. Overall, we are in an uptrend here. We came from down here from that ascending trend line in a flag pole, and the bull flag, and then we broke out to the bull flag to the upside. But now we're at a critical point because we marked a double top, which could be a bullish reversal pattern or bearish reversal pattern. And from here we could also go down. And in the worst case, in my view, in the immediate worst case, I think we could get down to this ascending trend line here, which is at 160 at the moment. But bearing in mind, there are rumors that Fantom will get listed on Coinbase. Now, nothing has been officially announced yet. So that is also one reason why I continue to hold Fantom, not only because it's performing well and because of the team and the technology and the fundamental use case. No, also because I think it might actually really be listed on Coinbase. So if that is the case, you can probably expect something like a 10, 15, maybe even 20% price increase, which would come probably out of the blue, because nothing has been officially announced yet, but there have been quite a lot of rumors, and in the past they have provided oftentimes true that it was the case essentially. Okay, so hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.